Hi guys, coming back to you with another video. Today we're going to clean tires. I've got a product I've never used I wanted to try. I got it from idscarcare.com. It's called Retyre from Carpro. It's supposed to be a dedicated tire and rubber cleaner. Now not only are we going to use this to clean my tires, but we're going to use the McKee's N-914. This is their rinseless wash, all right? And we're going to use this pump sprayer. It's a battery powered sprayer, but you can use any sprayer you want. It's kind of like how you would do it with a rinseless wash, and if you didn't have access to a hose or something like that. So we're gonna use the McKee's N-914 rinseless wash. You can use this as a waterless, clay lube, water softener, all kinds of cool stuff. We're gonna put a couple ounces into here. I've got this filled about 2 gallons worth. And then we're gonna use the Retyre from Carpro to clean. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe. This is a different type of video, and let's try it out. Okay, so here we have a tire. Now the wheels are clean, but the tires, they need some scrubbing. And let's pretend I don't have my hose over there, or I don't have access to water. So what we're gonna do is use my battery powered backpack and some McKee's N-914 along with Carpro Retyre. Okay, so I've got my cup here, my measuring cup. I've got some McKee's N-914. I'm gonna put about 100 milliliters into here. There's about 2 gallons or so. Let's put a little bit more. All right, it's about 150 milliliters. There we go. Now I'm feeling right. This stuff smells so good. It's like a melon type of scent. I love this. This is one of my favorite rinseless washes. It just does a fantastic job. We'll get this all set up, put this together. We're gonna use the Retyre. We'll scrub a little bit. We'll use some McKee's N-914, and let's see how these tires come out. Okay, so we've got a brush, we've got Retyre. Now Retyre says to basically spray down the tire, get all the loose debris off it, spray with this, let it dwell for about 30 seconds, spray the brush, and then scrub the tire and rinse. So let's try it out and see how it works. We've sprayed the McKee's N-914 on there to get any of that loose particle debris off there. Let me bring you guys in so you can see this stuff starts to emulsify the dirt. As you spray it on there, you can see it really see it coming off there. Now you leave this on for about 30 seconds, spray your brush, and scrub. This is the Tough Shine brush here. You can get this at IDS Car Care. It's where I get most of my products now. They just carry everything. All right, now let's get our spray back here. Look at the dirt coming off there. Wow. Now we'll spray some more here. Now as you can see, as I spray it is white, so that's what they say what you're looking for, is it to be white. And since I have this, let me rinse the brush out. And we'll scrub one more time here. and we'll rinse again. Now any of the white you see in there is from the McKee's N-914. It does have a little bit of foam in it, not a lot, but a little bit. All right, let me come back and wipe all this down. We'll start with my wheel, clean it off. And then we'll wipe the tire down. I mean, it looks really, really clean, really nice. Pretty good stuff there. Okay, we've let it dry up pretty good here. Let's take a look. I mean, the tire looks fantastic. I did a waterless wash on the wheel. It was already clean, but it looks good still. And I mean, it's clean. You know, these have been coated and then driven for months. And then lately I've been using some tire dressings on there. So basically just took the tire dressings off, and that's the look of it. I mean, very, very nice. The Retyre does a really good job at cleaning. The McKee's 914 does a great job as a waterless in this case, and basically flushing the Retyre off of there and just cleaning everything out. Very, very nice combination. So guys, that's a short, quick video. If you are mobile or you don't have access to water, you can definitely clean your wheels. If you have to get into the wheel wells, you'd get a wheel cleaner sprayed in there. You'd use a different type of wheel woolly and you'd scrub. Then you'd spray your Retyre onto the tires. You'd scrub them, and you'd use your pump sprayer of some sort. You want something that really flushes all the cleaners out of there. And obviously we mix McKee's N-914 is a very universal product, works well for so many different applications, and this is just another one, and a fantastic combination there. Really clean those tires well. If you want to try any of these cool products out, you can get the McKee's N-914, the Carpro Retyre, the Tough Shine scrubbing tire brush there, all at idscarcare.com. Go check them out. They got so many products, and you really just one-stop shop. They got accessories, towels, just everything from buckets to dressings. So guys, hope you liked the quick video. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.